Hi, welcome back to Vedic Mathematics. I am your Dr. Vasu. Now we are going to do a squaring of any number, whatever may be the size, in just 2 seconds. This is a very super fast technique. Let us see how to do it. Suppose I have taken a number 24. Let's take these 2 digits and write the square of each digit separately. 2 square, 4. 4 square, 16. Okay, and multiply these two numbers, 2 into 4, and double it, 2 into 2. So we get 16 written here in between these two. Now start with the right side, rightmost number, 6. 6 is written. Now 1 plus 6. So 1 plus 6 is 7. Okay, now come to this number, 4. 4 plus 1, right? 4 plus 1, 5. And 0, of course. So the result is 576. Thus 24 square is 576. You see how quick it is. Let's take another example. 35, 3 square, 09, and 5 square, 25. Multiply these two numbers, 3 into 5, and double it. Okay, 30. Written 30 here. Now, again, start with the rightmost side. 5 here. 2 plus 0, 2, and 9 plus 3, 12. 2 is written here, 1 is carry forward. So 1 plus 0, 1. So 1225 is the result. Take another example, say 62 square, 6 square, 36, 2 square, 04. We have to remember one thing, you have to write 2 digits for this square. Okay, even though it has 2 into 2 is just 4 only, but write 2 digits. Now, take the 2 digits, multiply them and double it. 6 2's into 2, 24. So this is the, start with the rightmost side, 4, 0 plus 4, 4, and this 6 plus 2, 8, and 3 here. So this is the answer. You see, in just a matter of 2 seconds, you can get it. Now, take another number with the bigger digits. So 76, 7 square, 49, 6 square, 36. 7 into 6, they multiply these two numbers, 7 into 6, and double it. Okay, 84. 42 into 2, 84. Now this is, start with the right side, 6 here, 3 plus 4, 7. Now 9 plus 8, okay, 17. 1 carries forward, 1 plus 4, 5. So 5776 is the answer. Take another bigger value, say 89 here, 8 square, 64, 9 square, 81. Write them separately, a bit gap is maintained. Multiply these two, 8 into 9 into 2, that is 72 into 2, that is 144. 4 is written, unit number is written separately, and the remaining part is written separately. So here, start with the rightmost side, 1 here, 8 plus 4, 12, 1 carries forward. So 1 plus 14, 15, 15 plus 4, 19. Okay, 1 carries forward again here. 1 plus 6, 7. So 7921 is the answer. Hope you enjoyed this technique very well. And if you have any queries, please do comment. Do subscribe the channel. Thank you.